Cardio.AI is a platform aimed on a quick and efficient exploration of the long ECG records in search for heart rate abnormalities, and it allows you to quickly prepare the report for your fellow physician with those findings. Main difference from the most software on the market is that the initial cleanup phase is being done by a powerful AI system which understands the large amount of classes of different abnormalities, so you don't have to go through the templates manually. That way, we want to grow a confidence in you that AI augmented technician is much less probably will miss something of importance. I'm recording this in the pre-release version of the software, which is being polished right now, so don't mind some rough edges you might see, we will fix it eventually. The UI itself is split on 4 zones. The exploration UI to the left, the signal with the highlighted abnormalities, global timeline where you can see the event dots, and the report itself. We start from the left panel, which shows us all the possible events that were found. Clicking on the event icon allows us to focus on this specific event. It allows us to select the affected bits, and if we see some misclassification, we could quickly fix it right here. The selected events are highlighted on the global timeline. We have some additional tools like Deviation Selection, like Duration Selection, and they are aimed on your productivity. Clicking on the pie chart allows us to select the sub-events. In this case, I've selected all the VPCs covered by ventricular bigamy. So this is the way we are going through all the interesting classes to understand what we see in the record. When we are done with the review, we start to use the report itself, which first of all contains a narrative summary text for our physician. It has those links that could be clicked, so we could see the fastest sinus tachycardia here. Then it is followed by a global table of events. We could see the heart rate split over the hours, and those things are clickable as well, so we could see them in context. So on this graph we could see the global distribution of the sinus versus arrhythmia events. Two tables for tachycardia duration and bradycardia duration per hour. This is the annotation overview of all the events on the record, so the physician could see how they were laid out over the 24 hours. Those things here are clickable as well. Then we have more in-depth stats on bit events. Then they are followed by written annotations. Here's the PQRST table, which shows us the average per hour average for all the important metrics. Here's the graph with those metrics. For example, here we could see that RR and PP distances followed each other really closely, which is nice. Then we see an ST segment, per channel ST segment, which is clickable, so we could see the signal. Okay, it is probably some noise. Check it out. Yeah, and here we could see some deviation, so we might want to check it out. The ST segments are followed by the strips automatically generated, so they show our physician the events. And this is probably it. So let us know if you want an account to check it out on your files, and take care.